Hello everyone from India to England and from Earth to Mars. Welcome to Stockology. And we are continuing our series with the Nifty 50 share analysis. So far we have seen multiple shares and the last share we have seen is Sun Pharmaceutical Industries. Today a little bit of overview here for Nifty. We will start with Nifty 50, which is 1.25 point up, and Bank Nifty at 110 up. That's quite good. The Nifty 1.4 down, not much of a difference. Sensex is 23.12. They are almost relatively at the same level. And now we are going to go at our share. Last time we have seen Sun Pharmaceuticals, and today we are going to see Adani Enterprises. It is a little overview of here. The price of Adani Enterprise is 3089.35, and it is 8.5 rupees up. And today's highs and low are in the same, not far from each other. That is 74 and 120. And highest of 52 weeks is 3743, which is quite above of the today's high. And a little bit of financial status here. Revenue, which is quite high. Profit, you can see it a decrease in December 2023, but March is 24 is still going. And this is the net worth, which is obviously increasing. And we'll look at the share chart as we always do, because that's the important part for ourselves. And at first we're going to go at months, and we're going to convert it into lines. Okay, it is obvious from the first glance this is going to be the highest point of the share analysis for ourselves. This is the best resistance, I can say, and we can put it here. It could be here because these are 2 points are almost meeting each other, so I think this could be more like this. Usually I do that when 2 points are obviously close to each other. It is better to do this. Now we can do the same with this one as well, which I'm going to. Then other than that, it could work as a support here on a big note. Let's see, now we're going to convert it into week because there are no more lines up there to see. Okay, it look quite a decent here. We can, if we want, we can make this one. Can we? I don't think so. It is a 1 point touching here. If we go up, we can make it a double point, but I don't think we should go there. The price of the market is the price of the share is quite high, so its fluctuation in the price range is quite high, but in percentage is moved similar to the other share as well. So if you ask me, generally I'm gonna avoid that. We are going to go in days. Okay, in days we can see we can make a line here if we want to, but I don't think we should. In days this could work. It could really work here. It is a multiple point which are almost touching here as well, here as well, and last was here where it make a little bit of resistance for this share to take in, give it a chance to bounce back down. Okay, we are going to look at like this, and as you can see on the small point of view like this. Okay, it is okay, I'm guessing something, I'm getting something out of it. Okay, as of now if you think about it, it is actually falling in general sense. If you don't understand that, like, look at that, this is a falling line there, but you see a little bit, it has risen a little bit on Friday, on Thursday it made a little bit of a stand here. Then on Thursday it made a little bit of a stand here, and on Friday it rises. Today it didn't move much of from anywhere. It just from high and lows. If you see here, it is 3120 to 3074, and its closes at 3088.40. So it is almost similar. It could be a really good interesting. It could be an interesting thing to see here. Let me put a few things here. Perspective. Okay, we can go here with here. Can it? It is basically falling at this point. I usually don't support days chart. I usually go with the purple or the blue one. So. Okay. In my opinion, the best advice I can give you is if this line, basically the share, managed to fall below this and break the 3044 line, then there is a possibility that it will fall. First of all, if it managed to close below this, but if it didn't and it move ahead and crosses this line, which is our white line, which is a day line, then there is a possibility that it will go up. Then in that scenario, the line which we are going to make our entry point is going to be this one, 3314.73, which is in round figure 3315. And because why? Because multiple points has crossed this line, so the significance of that line is much more than the white line, first of all. And the mole line, it's make the confirmation that it is going to be a critical point there. So if I had to take an entry, I will put two uh, alerts. One is at 3124 and the other with 3314, because the 3124 to give me an idea, okay, it is going up and there is a possibility that it will going to keep moving forward, and 3315 to take an entry after the share break that line and stays above that at the end of the day. So next day it could be a possibility to take an entry there. That's my analysis, and if I have to put it, I will go 3315 for myself. 3315. Okay, that's the analysis of the Adani Enterprises. And thanks for watching, if you're still watching, first of all. And if you want any suggestion regarding any particular share or like the chart analysis, which I usually do, because I do swing trading. So in swing trading, the fundamental and the inner details are doesn't really matter. If you have the best example, I can give you the um, Suzlon. I have invested in that and I got a really good 30% profit in that. And if you look at his chart, if you look at his financial situation, you will say, what the hell? Sorry for the language. You are going to say that, obviously. But still, I did the swing trading in almost a month. I got the net profit and I was out of that share. So that's what I do. So if you want me to do any analysis for your help and in a swing trading for particular share, you can just write in the comment. And if not, we are already continuing this series of Nifty 50 share analysis. And thank you for watching, and keep like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.